Taskade versus Notion. In this 2025 comparison, we'll see which productivity tool is better. Make sure to like and subscribe. First up is Taskade. It's a collaboration tool designed around tasks, mind maps, and workflows. It's lightweight, fast, and has AI-powered brainstorming, great for quick planning and team collaboration. Now, Notion. It's an all-in-one workspace with docs, databases, wikis, and tasks. It's highly flexible. And in 2025, its AI features make it even stronger for knowledge management and content organization. Now, let's hop on to features. Taskade offers real-time collaboration, mind maps, and project templates. Notion offers databases, custom pages, AI assistants, and advanced integrations. Second is learning curve. Taskade is easier to start with since it's simple. Notion requires setup but gives you limitless structure. Third is customization. Notions wins here with custom databases and pages. Taskade is more structured but less flexible. For its ideal audience, Taskade is great for teams needing lightweight collaboration, while Notion is best for creators, businesses, or anyone who wants an all in one hub. For its value, Taskade is affordable and quick. Notion offers more features for long term scalability. So, if you need simple task collaboration, Taskade is perfect. But if you want a customizable all-in-one workspace, Notion is the better choice. Now, you can decide whether Taskade or Notion is your productivity tool in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.